This ain't Arby's, but we got the meats. Hey, what's up? It's Tway and welcome to Making It Big, the show where I take your favorite foods and turn it into giant foods. For this season, we are actually filming everything with a VR camera. So if you notice that my table is a little warped, that's why. You can watch the full VR episode with a Meta Quest 2 in Mega Tasty. That's our virtual cooking world within Horizon Worlds, or on Meta Quest TV. So today, I have a special guest that you all know and love.
I'm here. Hello, hello.
You guys, it is Brie-ze, Queen of Tasty. I gotta admit, I'm kind of nervous.
Oh,
that
why?
You are challenging me because your taste is expansive and I don't know what you are going to be challenging me to because you're kind of unpredictable.
Well, you know, I have a show called Make It Fancy, but you might be surprised what I chose.
Okay, let's see.
Ta-da!
Korean cheese dog.
Yeah, far from fancy. It's a street food. I'm new to Korean cheese dog.
Yeah.
But I love it. So I just want to eat more, and why not make it big so I can eat more?
Why not, right? What is your favorite part about the Korean cheese dog?
You know, I'm a tasty producer, and we love good cheese ball.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I expect you to do great cheese ball that stretches from this here to here. I don't think I can do it, but I believe in you. I think you can do it. Good luck, friend.
Thank you. Let's get to work. So I have 5 pounds of ground beef over here. This is 1.5 pounds of ground pork belly. Gonna mix this up. Oh, hey! Okay, well, Tiny Tway is here and it looks like she got something to say, so let's hear it. No way. That long? According to Tiny Tway, the corn dog got really popular in Korea in 1980.
In the 1980s.
But it wasn't until 2016 where it gained its popularity because they basically rebranded the corn dog and added the sugar and the cheese and all the sauces. And now it's literally everywhere in the world. So for flavoring, I think this is onion powder. No, this is onion powder. This is garlic powder. This is white pepper. Oh, don't breathe that white pepper in. This is paprika. And this right here is pink curing salt. So what pink curing salt is, it's just salt and sodium nitrate. All right. I like to feel it kind of squeeze through my fingers and make sure that every inch of this meat is covered with flavor. Oh, this meat smells seasoned. Now I am ready to make this into a paste because we're making a hot dog here. Look at our beautiful paste. Okay, that was only one batch. I have this much left to do, so be right back. This is not a hot dog casing because we can't find any that's actually this big. So this is like a casing for salami. Here we go. What I gotta do is really make sure that there are no air bubbles. I don't want any air bubbles. That's the enemy. So we've already tied the other end. I'm going to, This is my foot-long glizzy. And this is going into the oven for 1.5 hours at 300 degrees. This is going to cook the hot dog and let it firm up. So, be right back. This is our boiled hot dog. I'm gonna cut this side so you can see it. Children, look away. Okay, so I actually need to put this in the oven at 500 for 15 minutes because I want this to crisp up, get a nice color going because, I mean, he's great, but he could be better. So let's make him better. My meat is done. It smells incredible. Now, we get to shave the cheese nice and tight. What we're gonna do is put this stick through the dog because this is going to hold the cheese and the dog together, but it's also like the stick to hold the whole thing together when you're eating it. Here we go. We're through! I am going to actually use these little skewers to secure this to this because it's so big. I can't trust just one stick, you know? So I am going to secure it with these sticks right here. All right, now time to put this together. I need some help. Barrel. I'm gonna put my hand here to guide you. Time for the batter. Oh, hey, welcome back. Okay, let's hear it. So according to Tiny Tway, the difference between a Korean corn dog and a traditional American corn dog is that the batter for American corn dogs have cornmeal, but the Korean one does not. So that's why there's no cornmeal in this corn dog batter. The more you know. It's game time. So I have to get the glizzy coated in flour, and then I'm gonna bring it over here and batter it, and then coat it in panko. Little glizzy ASMR. The tingles. Okay, welcome to the back kitchen. Over there is my fry team. Hi, fry team.
Fry Guy, your guide to anything fried.
All right, drop the glizzy. This glizzy is glorious. It's looking beautiful. Rie, are you here?
I am here. Oh my God! You made a box too?
Yeah, well, I didn't make it.
Okay.
The art
You
department.
found it. Okay. Make it rain.
Are you ready?
Yeah, 3, 2, 1. We love good cheese ball.
Oh.
Whoa, it's a lot of cheese.
It's pulling.
How about
No,
this?
it's pulling.
We love good cheese ball.
was gonna say, should we put the toppings on?
Okay, so I'm gonna do cross.
This is very precious cargo. There's a sriracha shortage.
Oh my God.
Can we cheers?
Cheers. Cheers to Tway. Oh, it's yummy. It's so good.
I actually really enjoyed this.
In the comments below, let me know what I should make big next time. Peace.
See ya.